That's all you need. A 50% system with a 2-to-1 average risk reward, guys. This is mind blowing. You are going to make so much money with it. But the problem that most traders face, yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you're all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again, back with another banger today. I want to talk about a trade that I've shared just with the inner circle of our team, with all the Masterclass students today. We took a beautiful sell on gold, and I shared this one just with the team. If you're not a member of the inner circle yet of the Masterclass course, make sure to check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. This is everything you need to become a consistently profitable trader and start a profitable career as a trader. I mean, I've shared this one just with the team in our group chat, as you've seen here. This is our group chat with everybody, and I have my own channel where I'm sharing my entries and exits. And these are channels where everybody can talk to each other in the group chat. So we have a big community in here, guys, with a complete course that will take you from beginner level to the professional level with strategies, money management, trade management systems, everything you need to become a consistently profitable trader, guys. This is the all-in-one package that you need if you're a struggling trader or if you're looking for a career as a trader. And I'm actually running a discount on that one, and it's running out in a little bit, so make sure to check it out. Make a quick decision if you're serious about this. Just wanted to let you know. So, and if you need any help, guys, you can always drop me a private message in Telegram. Just make sure to not fall into someone in the comment section who trying to get you in WhatsApp with some crypto stuff. I'm trading gold, guys. I'm trading sometimes Euro, US dollar, Dow Jones, but mainly focused on gold. So please, if you need any help, if you want my advice, drop me a private message in Telegram, and I will take care of you and help you to get your trading game on the next level. In today's video, I want to talk about this trade in here. We took a sell position on gold, and I have recorded that session as well, so I will get into the live recording so you can see how I exactly entered the trades, exited the trades, managed the trade, and try to squeeze it as much as we can with our loading it up money management system. This is something you're going to learn in the masterclass as well. So today we banked 200,000. Our maximum risk exposure was around 75,000. So we made around a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. So for the day it's 200 grand. For the week it's around 538 grand. For the month 1.3 million. And I started to trade gold back again at the 21st of September, and I'm up $2 million, withdrew already 1.4 million, guys. So yeah, guys, we are profitable, as you can see, and I know what I'm talking about. So let's get straight into it. Why I took this sell position? Why the fuck did I do that? Okay, let me explain to you guys something really quick. Let's check the 1 hour chart. Well, we had kind of a bullish channel in here. You see that? I mean, as you can see, we had a strong drop in here that broke structure over here. And this was the last push. Like this zone over here. This zone over here was the last push to the upside, as you can see. And what was happening when the price hit that zone tonight, it was clearly rejected and coming down. Let's go to the lower time frames. So today we had a pretty aggressive sell-off. Not that aggressive, but it was a sell-off. We are all like, the flow of the market today was clearly sell, and it hit that zone, it came down, broke structure, came back up, broke structure, came back up, broke structure, and was all over. It was a pretty nice downward move. So I was looking for a sell opportunity, guys. And then let's see what was happening. I mean, I was waiting for the New York session patiently. New York session started, price came down, boom, tricked so many sellers into the market. A lot of sellers stepped into the game, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of sellers stepped into the game. Where do they have their stop loss? Just a quick question, guys. They have their stops here, right? And here, right? Yes. So, what does that mean, guys? I mean, we need to understand the market is looking for business opportunities. That means the market wants to have transactions. And where do we have transactions? At significant spots where sellers and buyers get into the market, out of the market, whatever it is. And I mean, these significant spots where stop orders sitting, entry pending orders, I mean, there are so many different traders out there. And if you are in a sell position, you probably move your stop over here or over here, right? And what will happen if the market triggers your stop? If you're a seller, if your stop gets hit, you become a buyer. That means so much buying pressure in here. I'm sure a lot of breakout traders got into the market and wanted to buy the market because we had a pretty aggressive move to the upside. That means a lot of breakout traders got into buy orders as well. So here should be a lot of buying pressure. The market should shoot just like that. But what was happening, guys? It's very important. I mean, the price broke the structure on the 1 minute chart. It was, can I go a little bit more down? Maybe this 30-second chart so you can see it more clear. Look, you see how the price broke the structure in here? This was the moment for me where I was like, all right, let the market pull back and let's ride this thing to the downside. I mean, we're still in a downward move. We just grabbed the liquidity. A lot of buyers got tricked into the market. A lot of sellers got stopped out. This is where I want to get in. I want to get in when other people get stopped out, okay? And so I waited for the pullback, and then let's move into the live recording so you can see what I was doing. And yeah, I was loading it up and we are going to go over it right now. So price broke the structure. You see that price broke the structure and pulled back. Now let's see what was happening, guys. Let's see what was happening. The whole trading sequence is around 1 hour 20 minutes. So I made 200,000 in 1 hour and 20 minutes during the New York session. And this is the live recording. So now I'm into the game with $75,000 risk. 3 positions into the game. Let's see what was happening, guys. Beautiful rejection, beautiful move to the downside. Market shows us clearly that it wants to go down, and I was like, that's tasty. Now let's wait for an opportunity to load it up and move our stop loss a little bit lower. And yeah, bigger the position size. I mean, it clearly wants to go down. I think we're on the right side of the market, so why not trying to bigger the position size while moving the stop and keeping the risk around the same. I don't want to over leverage my account, so I'm moving my stop as soon as I am willing to bigger my position size. It's very important, guys. Don't just get into the market again and again and again and again without moving your stop. It's very important. You don't want to over leverage, guys. Very important. So market beautifully come down, and now I want to explain you something that's really important. It's very obvious now that we have a bearish structure and a lot of sellers stepping into the game in here. Where do they put their stop? If they are scalpers or whatever they are, like lower time frame traders, if they get into the market in here, where do they put their stop? The next position to put your stop is here, right? Alright, I was not moving my stop above this structure because it's a minor level and they get stopped out, they get hunted pretty often. So I was like, let's hunt them and get in again. You see that? I was pulling it up, I was loading it up, getting in again, and yeah, let's see what was happening next. I mean, the market pulls up a little bit steeper, and what's happening now? I mean, a lot of buyers got tricked in here. Maybe they have their stops in here, or they're waiting for a pullback for another break of structure. Then I think a lot of buyers got in here because we have a break of structure. A lot of buyers get into the game here, and yeah, the market's slowly moving up, building this entry cheese for all the buyers who get fucked. It's just a trap, guys. It's just a trap. Look, and it goes up some more, so more and more buyers get into the game. And this is when I'm getting in again with a sell. Wait for it. Boom, we are nearly at around the ultimate entry level. So I'm ready to step into the game again. Boom, and I have another position into the market. The risk right now is a little bit more than 1%, but I was so confident in that setup. Let's see what was happening. I think it was 1.2%. I think I was risking maximum 90 grand. That's a little bit more than 1%, maybe 1.2%. But let's see what was happening, guys. I mean, I was aiming for this level in here as my first target. Like this area in here, the 1860 and a little bit lower than that was my first target. This is where I wanted to get out. And I like to take partial profits, as you will see in a bit. Market came down pretty nice. This is when my mood raised. I was happy. So I already closed 2 positions at that point. I closed one in here, closed one in here, closed another one in here, and then I'm going to close 2 more. Now I fast forward a little bit too fast. Now I'm going to close 2 more positions around my first target, where it could probably move around again. And because I was so heavy loaded up, I wanted to get out, of course. I wanted to bank profits. I mean, I've started with an initial risk of 75,000. Maybe I've extended it with my loading and up positions to around 90 grand. But yeah, I was leaving the table with around $200,000 today. So if we would take the 90 grand risk that I had on the table, it's more than a 2-to-1. So we just need a 50% hit rate with a 2-to-1 to make millions of dollars, guys. I mean, this is something you need to understand. It's like it's a numbers game, and numbers don't lie. If you are able to take more than twice as much that you are risking with a 50% accuracy, guys, you will never have to worry about any bills again. I mean, that's all you need. A 50% system with a 2-to-1 average risk reward, guys. This is mind blowing. You are going to make so much fucking money with it. But the problem that most traders face is when they are losing a trade and they start to get in again, over leveraging their account, taking too many positions, stupid positions, don't waiting for their setup, and they give it back all in just one day. This is so crazy. I mean, if you can manage the emotional side of trading, if you learn to be a good loser, this is so important, guys. If you want to become a good trader, you have to be a good loser. You have to take your losses. I mean, a 50% system, that means you're going to lose approximately every second trade, and you gotta be okay with that and wait for your next setup. But this is something most traders are not capable of doing. They cannot wait for the next setup after they took a loss, because our mind tricks us. It wants to make back the profit as quick as possible, and so many traders have this problem, guys. I'm here to tell you that you have to master this mind game, this psychology. Don't get tricked by your brain. If you really want to become a consistently profitable trader, you got to understand this psychology aspect and don't get tricked. Control your emotions, be disciplined, consistent, and stick to your fucking plan, guys. I'm here to help you to make money, but you gotta do what it takes. You cannot, man, you have to treat it like a real fucking business. Man, I'm getting really emotional right now. Let's calm down again. Well, as you can see, I've already closed 5 positions of my initial 6 positions, so I still have one running because like it could like give the market the chance to fill your pocket with a big move. This is something you really should do, and the market could just fall down like crazy right now, but it doesn't do that. So it doesn't do that. That means, let's see, maybe we can get another entry. What am I doing? It pulls back, and I'm looking to get in again. Just try to squeeze it, try to load it up. Maybe we can get the big drop. It's not dropping right now, but maybe we can get it. So I was getting in again, as you can see, moved my stop to break even so that I'm so that I'm keeping my profits. I'm not risking anything here. If the market hits my stop loss, I'm getting out with break even. And yeah, this is what I did. So I'm not losing anything here. Saved all my profits, and yeah, that was the trade for the day. Let's see if we have hit if we would have hit my initial target. As you can see, the market is fucking around a little bit. It doesn't really moving down as I expected. Not that fast, as you can see. But anyways, it was a great trade. We've loaded it up. We made more than a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. It was beautiful. And yeah, guys, if you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for advice, if you're looking for strategies, guys, all the links in the description. Drop me a private message if you're looking for guidance, if you want to talk to me personally. Drop me a message on Telegram. Only Telegram. I don't have WhatsApp. I'm not trading crypto, so please don't get scammed. I know there are some people who are faking me on Instagram as well. There are 4 or 5 different profiles pretending to be me. They've stolen all my content and they're trying to get you into some crypto stuff. Please don't do that, okay? Talk to me personally only in Telegram, and join a Genius Trading Masterclass course. This is where I have everything inside: psychology, trading strategies, money management, risk management, trade management. Plus you have the community with the group chat with all our students that are helping each other, striving for the same goals. If you're looking for something like that, structured course, get it. The time is running out on this offer, guys. Time is running out on this offer. We still have like around 7 hours left. Maybe I'm going to make it more expensive, because this course will help you to make millions if you are capable of doing what I'm teaching you in there. If you have the discipline and the consistency to stick to the plan. Listen to some of our feedbacks. I have a lot of feedbacks on this YouTube channel as well. Just check it out if you don't know if this is something for you. Listen to some other students and then make your decision and join the team, guys. I wish you all the best. Have a great evening and stay healthy, guys. Peace out. What you know, every time I, my body, you know.